Intel Core i5-10400F results. 62 degrees Celsius max load and 0 regrets. Change my mind.
Ever opened Task Manager during a game and just felt tired? 20 Chrome tabs, Discord, Spotify, and your CPU is already crying at 100%? I've been there, stuttering in the middle of a Warzone drop because my old quad core finally gave up. Drop same below if your PC's secretly holding you hostage right now. Ever opened Task Manager during a game and just felt tired? 20 Chrome tabs, Discord, Spotify, and your CPU is already crying at 100%? I've been there, stuttering in the middle of a Warzone drop because my old quad core finally gave up. Drop same below if your PC's secretly holding you hostage right now.
That heavy, sluggish feeling when every new game demands more cores and you know your rig is one update away from becoming a space heater. The quiet dread that you'll have to spend $1,000 just to feel smooth again. Or there's a calmer, cheaper way that actually works. A ridiculously calm way.
Then I accidentally built a PC around the Intel Core i5-10400F that someone was practically giving away. 6 real cores, 12 threads, 4.3 GHz turbo, and a laughable 65-watt TDP that never breaks a sweat. Pair it with fast RAM on a B560 board, and suddenly you're pushing 200 FPS in Valorant, 140 FPS in Cyberpunk at 1440p, and rendering 4K timelines while streaming, without the CPU even hitting 70 degrees C. One guy messaged me last month. He was 30 minutes from missing a client deadline because his 4-core laptop was choking on a Premiere export. Threw the project on his 10400F rig instead, finished in 8 minutes, client never knew, and he just sat there staring at the screen, whispering, "What is this sorcery?" That's the quiet superpower. It doesn't flex, it just refuses to slow down. A benchmark channel with millions of views still calls the i5-10400F the best value gaming CPU you can buy, under $110 in 2025. A budget build YouTuber dropped it into 3 different $650 to $700 rigs, and every single one averaged 140 to 200 FPS at 1440p with modern cards. Steam Hardware Survey still shows it as the most common 6-core Intel chip because people buy it and never upgrade. One owner who's been daily driving it since launch told me he just swapped in an RTX 4070 and the CPU didn't even flinch, still maxing 62 degrees C and pulling less power than a light bulb. Yes, it's PCIe 3.0 and has no iGPU, but when the total platform cost is half of a new CPU alone and you're getting 95% of the frames, that outdated objection starts sounding like copium. See why thousands can't stop talking about this 5-year-old legend? Tell me in the comments what GPU you'd pair it with. I answer every single one. Join the tens of thousands of gamers, editors, and first-time builders who are still rocking the Intel Core i5-10400F in 2025 and laughing at upgrade anxiety. You get buttery 1440p gaming, ice-cold temps, and a wallet that doesn't hate you. If you're tired of stuttering and ready for stupidly competent performance that just works, the link is right in the description and pinned. Grab yours while they're still this cheap. Your future self is already alt-tabbing like a god. Go make it happen.